Quiet punch. Ready to spice up your workout routine? Enter the world of boxing with the Quiet Punch, a doorway punching bag that brings intense boxing-style workouts to the comfort of your own home. The Quiet Punch is incredibly easy to set up. Just hang it over any doorway, and you're ready to start punching. What makes it even better is the access to the Quiet Punch Play app, which provides over 100 hours of on-demand training and workout routines, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. Light boxer. Boxing is indeed a full-body workout, so here's another option. If you're seeking a more unique and engaging workout experience, look no further than the Light Boxer. Combining boxing with gaming, it features punch pads that light up in rhythm with the music, challenging you to hit them precisely. The Light Boxer offers a variety of training sessions and tracks your punching power and accuracy. The Unitree Pump. The Unitree Pump is a revolutionary portable fitness equipment that comes with a built-in motor that expertly controls resistance during your workouts, ensuring balanced muscle engagement. But what truly sets it apart is its versatility. It can anchor to various surfaces, offering more than 1,000 different intense workouts. You can mimic a rowing machine, squat rack, dumbbells, or cables. It's like having an entire gym in one compact kit. Earth 2 Jump Rope. Ready to redefine your jump rope experience? The Earth 2 Jump Rope is here to do just that. Its versatility shines through with interchangeable cables and a fast switching system. You can seamlessly switch from double unders to muscle-building workouts in an instant. Weight customization is a breeze, allowing you to ramp up the challenge from 200 grams to a whopping 1 kilogram. Oyo Nova Gym. The Nova Gym from Oyo Fitness is a game changer, featuring innovative Spiroflex technology, initially designed to keep astronauts fit in space. This tiny functional trainer provides up to 40 pounds of resistance in 10-pound increments. It comes with a door attachment, eliminating the need for a dedicated anchoring point. With 3 comprehensive workout programs, including a 28-day beginner program and a 10-week challenge, you have access to nearly 200 exercises, catering to your full-body workout needs. Walking Pad R2. The walking pad was a game changer that defies the common perception of treadmills with its remarkable compactness. The R2 version is a premium version of the original, boasting an even better design and user-friendly features. This foldable treadmill offers a sleek and sophisticated sports model that elevates your home workout experience. No more hassle with assembly. Simply unbox and start running within 15 minutes. Definitely one of the best under-the-desk treadmill money can buy. Speediance. Speediance is a space-saving smart gym designed for a full-body workout without bulky equipment. Whether you're into full-body strength training, stretching, or yoga, Speediance has you covered with an ever-expanding library of hundreds of workouts. With guided videos for each exercise and Bluetooth accessories to track your reps, it's perfect for those tight on space. Surprisingly, despite its compact design, it offers up to 220 pounds of resistance. Gymera. Gymera is the ultimate sleek, smart home gym system. It offers 3D games like Gy-Racing and Gy-Boating via an attractive 27-inch 4K touchscreen. What sets Gymera apart is its focus on making workouts fun and effective. It employs advanced AI for personalized training plans, offers voice and gesture controls, and even helps with form correction in real time. Plus, it's equipped with a smart mirror for post-workout motivation. The Stairmaster 10G. The Stairmaster offers an effective, low-impact cardio workout that not only elevates your heart rate, enhances cardiovascular endurance, and boosts stamina, but also engages and strengthens various leg and glute muscles as a weight-bearing exercise, catering to individuals of all fitness levels and abilities. With its innovative overdrive training mode, it simulates carrying or pushing a load upstairs, offering an intense climbing workout. It boasts features like the widest and deepest stepping surface, ergonomic handrails, and a quiet performance drivetrain. Flyweight. If you're looking to intensify your workouts, flyweight is the way to go. With configurable weight distribution and edge-to-edge grip, it allows for two-way acceleration. You'll actively accelerate out and away from your midline, then brake and accelerate back on every rep. It's a fantastic hybrid of cardio and resistance training, delivering up to 130 pounds of resistance. Cross grips. Cross grips are a pair of handles that instantly turn any doorway into a pull-up bar. These innovative handles are not only durable, but also travel-friendly, making them perfect for on-the-go workouts. They require no assembly, a secure fit on almost any door frame, and are ready to use in just 15 seconds. The grips are made of high-strength polymer and can support up to 250 pounds. Their compact design and interlocking feature make them easy to store at home or in a suitcase. Quell Fitness Gaming. Quell is the ultimate fusion of high-intensity, resistance-based combat workouts right in the comfort of your own home. Immerse yourself in an exhilarating fantasy world as you engage in battles using nothing but your bare hands, all while getting in the best shape of your life. What makes Quell truly exceptional is its ability to provide a personalized workout experience, offering customizable resistance levels and cutting-edge motion tracking for an unparalleled fitness adventure. Maxi Climber. The Maxi Climber revolutionizes your workout by seamlessly combining strength training and cardio in one fluid motion, closely mimicking the experience of rock climbing or scaling a vertical wall. This innovative climbing simulation engages your upper body, lower body, and core, ensuring a complete body workout that not only burns calories, but also places you in the optimal fat-burning zones. Perfect for those with limited space, this ergonomic fitness machine has a smaller footprint than traditional stair climbers or steppers. Unitop U-Trainer. The Unitop U-Trainer is a fitness device designed to transform your home workouts. It boasts smart tracking technology, ensuring precise data on your workouts. What sets it apart is the library of interactive and engaging workout programs tailored to your fitness level and goals. Real-time feedback on your form and performance helps you optimize your workouts. Plus, its sleek and portable design ensures you can take your U-Trainer anywhere, never missing a workout again. Yogify. For all the yoga enthusiasts looking to enhance their practice at home, meet Yogify. Yogify is not just your ordinary yoga mat. It's a connected marvel that elevates your yoga experience with the power of artificial intelligence. It keenly tracks your movements and offers real-time suggestions to help you perfect your poses. Thanks to its ingenious companion app, Yogify even provides corrective guidance and acts as your trusted yoga instructor, transforming your living room into a personalized yoga studio. Lifespan Ampera Desk Bike. Are you tired of sitting behind a desk all day and want to stay fit while working? This desk bike offers a solution. This innovative desk bike operates quietly thanks to a super quiet belt drive system and generates power as you pedal, which you can use to charge your USB-C devices and your smartphone through the built-in wireless charging pad. It even adds a touch of fun with customizable lighting. Constructed with recycled materials and boasting an adjustable seat, it's built for comfort and mobility with a handle and trolley wheels for easy movement. Hooky. The Hooky is a portable smart gym that's perfect for bodybuilding enthusiasts. This innovative gym uses water to create resistance, making it accessible and affordable for full-body workouts. Hooky supports over 100 different exercises, targeting all muscle groups. With real-time feedback displayed on a larger screen, you can make your workouts fun and convenient by projecting your phone to any smart TV. The all-in-one Ubik e-bike. The Ubik e-bike is an all-in-one solution for both indoor and outdoor cycling. Its exceptional feature of being able to switch between stationary and traditional e-bike modes makes it perfect for outdoor adventures or home workouts. Powered by a mid-drive motor, it reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and the removable battery provides a generous range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. With features like an adjustable seat, a large touchscreen display, a built-in speaker system, and safety elements like lights and a bell, the Ubik e-bike is perfect for those with limited space, as it conveniently folds up for storage. Wonder Core Slide Fit. Lastly, if body toning and sculpting is your focus, then this ab trainer is for you. Unlike traditional ab wheels that can be challenging and target only one area, the Slide Fit offers a seamless user experience, automatically springing you back to your starting position. This remarkable machine simultaneously works your entire core, hips, waist, back, shoulders, arms, and legs. It offers 3 levels of resistance with a precision-engineered spring. As you slide out, the variable resistance effectively strengthens your muscles, and the auto-assist spring mechanism facilitates your return, making it easier to complete more repetitions and burn more calories.